Let us join the sleepover.
You gotta come up here.
I got my pajamas.
Welcome to first class.
Come on.
Alright.
Turn me up, can't turn me down. Cut the lights off. Came in this bitch dripping sauce. I'm clean just like Lysol. I'm clean just like Mr. Fresh Deposit. Ooh, catch the check, pop it, get that nigga stretch. Knocking, I just want the nick.
Brooklyn.
Show 'em.
What you? What did you say?
Buy one, get one free.
Last
Last
nigga
nigga got me tight.
Buy one get
I
one.
know you tight. Let me test it out.
What did he say?
Wow.
Oh,
The one with the glasses on, she kind of like Talib.
Bye.
Talib.
Like
She do like Talib.
No, she do
No, she do
not.
not.
No, she
She
do
look
not.
like my little shit.
Wait, you heard that before? Somebody said that before?
No.
She look,
No.
she look just like Talib. It's not crazy.
No, she not.
You know she
Yeah.
do. That's why you laughing. So what are you talking
I'm
about?
gonna slap you. I'm gonna
She
slap
know,
you.
you know she
Yeah.
do. So if I pull up a picture of Talib right now, if I pull up a picture of Talib right now,
You don't look
You don't look like Tyler. I promise.
she look just like
Gets to a point.
Stop doing that.
I got.
No, I got.
Just stop doing that.
She do not
She
look
do
like
not look like that nigga.
She do like Talib, bro.
That is a fine. I know. I know.
He is fine.
He is
Y'all
fine.
from DMV?
Fuck him down to the.
I'm done talking to Talib. She got it, bro. God damn it.
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
Hello.
Oh shit.
Who says
Oh
it?
shit. Hey, let me get your Instagram. I ain't gonna lie, you can't even see me, but you're just like, fuck.
So I said, can you get your Instagram?
So I just gotta trust you're not ugly.
You'll see. We gonna stay on here until.
None of my homeboys ugly, bro. I'm telling you.
Either way, you just getting the free follower.
I don't remember from the top right.
Fuck.
Oh.
It's a lot of
Like letters and numbers.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
JU1. You got a barcode. That's that shit. They got down.
Mike sent me hands, but
You see it? Did it pop up?
Hey, see the highlights.
You see ugly? Go to the highlights.
I don't know.
Oh no.
She can't tell if you're ugly or not.
Embarrassing.
What that mean?
Don't play with me.
Is she ugly?
That's a head scratcher.
It's a head scratcher. I don't know if that's good or bad. It's like in the middle.
Out of 10.
Yeah, she skipped. Get her the
You
break.
going to school? Oh my gosh.
Hey.
Hey.
I just heard it.
I beg your pardon.
What? Why the fuck is she all in under the cover like that? Yeah, it's just.
That's cold. I'm so cold.
It is
freezing.
Hey, we on the way.
Okay. All right.
Didn't know nothing about this, but you can't just be making plans. I don't have no.
Where
Where you even at? Right.
You right here.
I'm on the cellular device.
I got like sisters, friends.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let us join the sleepover.
You gotta come up
You
here.
gotta come up here.
I got my pajamas.
Put them on.
Put 'em on.
All right.
Hey, so which one of y'all want him?
I want the glasses.
We don't even know
What
what
kind
that
of
is.
voice that is that?
That's good. We're gonna be on the way. We're gonna be on the way. Just send the location.
All right, we got
All
you.
right, we got you.
All right.
Sensational.
You know what the fuck going on in this app, man?
Hi, bitch.
Hi, bitch.
2026. Oh shit.
Nigga, what?
You say my name, but what's poppin', dude?
You know that shit wet.
Stop doing that.
Bro, why you keep scaring the hoes away, bro?
I love it.
I love it. It's crazy.
Oh, you got bangs. Let me bang you.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now this nigga is spitting game right now, and y'all think a lot.
It's crazy.
This nigga is spitting game.
Crazy.
You not, you
How
know.
tall are you?
I'm 5'2".
I'm 5'2".
I knew it. You play sports?
How you know
Uh,
that? Yeah.
Are you a libero?
yes.
Yes.
Duh.
Duh.
I knew it.
The fuck?
Like,
you just,
yeah,
What'd you
you
start
just,
on?
What you thought I was a boy?
No, I said, are you a libero?
What'd you say?
What you say?
Little girl.
Little girl.
she tweaking.
Libero.
She tweaking.
Fuck.
Dude, I got it. Hello?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I was getting
I was getting my lip gloss on my purse.
Is he a lip plumper?
See that.
See that?
Who taught you that? It's crazy work. I ain't gonna lie.
Liz?
This one is yes.
Oh, I knew it, girl. Blow my lips. Let me put my lips on. Let me put my lips on all four of yours.
What did he say?
No, I don't.
No, I don't. I'm going to wear it.
Huh?
I don't know. She kind of threw me off from the beginning. Like something wasn't right. Hello.
Hey.
My fault. I wasn't trying to lead you like that. I ain't gonna lie. I was like,
You good?
where you from?
New Orleans.
Where you from?
Okay, see.
I'm a Saints fan.
Huh?
Twin the Saints. Twin said he a Saints fan.
Period.
As you should be.
Michael, let's see man. What's your name?
Mia.
Man.
How old are you?
19.
19.
She valid. Hey, hold on, let me get some Instagram.
I've been waiting all my life for this moment. I'm that nigga.
Wait, what?
Huh?
Oh my fuck! It's the one that skipped earlier.
She gets me. That's
Let me pull up.
Yeah.
what you got going on.
Nothing.
Okay. What is wrong with you, bro?
Sorry.
This person is coming off guard. They put the little wee in the camera. Yeah.
This.
The fact
The fact that you just have that right there. Yeah.
Okay, so it's a long story, but I don't feel like explaining it. I'm telling you, it's not what it is.
Explain.
Now I gotta explain. I don't. So then what happened was I was about to make a video when I put the banana, you know what I'm saying, and then you were supposed to rate my outfit, but I couldn't find the right pants
You
to
trying
make
to
it
rate my fit
visible.
1 through 10?
except for shorts, and it was just uncomfortable. So I just said fuck
All right,
it,
but
and I put it in. That's why it's right here.
like
So
There
you
go your
just
Just
Xbox.
have it.
Huh?
I got like the
I
raw
just
way,
took it out like 5 minutes ago.
the raw way too,
You better watch through the video.
but
I did a little bit. Like I got like 3 different
Steve
people,
Ash
and then I took it out because I didn't like
at a
it.
10.
It don't feel
It
right.
don't feel
Why you
right.
say
It's not as big as yours.
why you say that?
That's not. We not talking about that right now. But
I'm just
I'm
saying.
just saying.
I had to get it off.
Oh yeah, this should work too.
Yeah, that's what happened.
So,
Appreciate it. Where you from?
so,
I'm from
I'm from
Florida.
Florida.
You from where?
Florida.
Florida. Take shit. Damn. You finna be there for spring break?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I'm not gonna be
But I'm not
doing
gonna be doing nothing during spring break. It's supposed to be. It's either supposed to be raining or it's supposed to be cold.
I wanna go.
I want to
Hey,
go.
shout right now, 1 through 10 real quick.
What's your Instagram real quick? I'm gonna just hit you.
All right,
You on the phone with
You on
your
the phone with your
friend?
friend?
Yeah, this nigga doing the same shit. I don't know how he doing it.
I don't know what to say. I was looking awkward.
You would. You wouldn't say shit.
got like
I just followed you.
Look at my shit.
Alright,
Alright, shit.
Turn me up, can't turn me down. Cut the lights off. Came in this bitch dripping sauce. I'm clean just like Lysol. I'm clean just like Mr.
I don't know what to tell y'all, bro. I'm simply just better than y'all niggas, and I'm simply just more known than you niggas.